In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to renew Medicaid online. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly renew your Medicaid coverage online. You will be able to do this by visiting a specific website related to your state, and you can do it on a web browser, on your phone, or on any computer. So in this video, I'm doing it on my computer, but like I said, you can follow along on your phone. All that you have to do is go over to medicaid.gov. So when you arrive at this page, you will be able to see a lot of options and a lot of things related to Medicaid. And at the top, you will usually see renew your coverage. So this is the option that you are looking for. You can also go over to the Medicaid page and browse through plenty of options here, but to renew, this is all you have to do. So click on prepare now and you will be redirected to another page. Now they are going to tell you what you need to prepare beforehand. As you can see, they list three main things. Update your contact information, make sure that your state has your current mailing address, phone number, email, or other contact information. Check your mail. Your state will mail you a letter about your coverage. This letter will let you know if you need to complete a renewal form to see if you still qualify for Medicaid or CHIP. And finally, complete your renewal form if you get one. Fill out the form and return it to your state right away to help avoid a gap in your coverage. You can read further if you believe that you don't qualify anymore for Medicaid or CHIP, or regardless, all that you have to do now is scroll down. In here, you will be able to browse through various states. Whenever you click on any of these states, you will be redirected into the appropriate website. So find your state on this map and then tap or click on it. Now you will find the options to apply or renew online. Now sadly, because this contains a lot of personal information, I won't be able to show you the full process on screen, but from here on out, you just have to follow the on-screen instructions. So choose the option to renew benefits or apply, and you will usually be redirected to a login page where you can input all of your information and you will be able to log in to renew your insurance. You will be able to fill out the form with sensitive information that I'm not able to show on screen and get this process done. I hope I was able to help you on how to renew Medicaid online. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.